Amazon Echo Dot unboxing. So let's do this. This is actually the second time I'm doing the Echo Dot unboxing. The reason is this is the third generation and the latest generation of the Echo Dot. Before we begin, there's a lot of good deals on this Echo Dot, not just the product itself, but also the other bundles that you can add to it. For all of those bundles, I'll leave them right below the subscribe button for you to check out and use that personalized referral link to go to Amazon and purchase the Echo Dot if you are interested. Really good price for this. So the Echo Dot comes in 4 colors. I have the white one, which is called Sandstone. And then I didn't realize that I actually ordered this one right here, the black or charcoal one, months ago. It was just hiding in my closet, not even open like this one. So these two, Sandstone and charcoal. And then there's 2 more colors, which is plum and finally heather gray, which is a mixture of these two, kind of like a light gray color. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sandstone color. I'm not going to be using this. I might just try to return it and see if they take it back and see how good the Amazon customer service is. Let me know your experience with these devices and the Amazon customer service. I've always had a really good customer service experience with them. They have always gone above and beyond, especially when it comes to Prime products. And I can only imagine that if it's like an Amazon back product, they're going to have no issues and they're going to provide you with the best customer service. So before we begin, if you are new here, do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. So I have my X-Acto knife here. I don't think we'll be needing that, but let's take it out of the plastic. Yours might not come in this plastic. I don't know if they've just recently started doing this or not, but let's open this up. Here we have it, the Amazon Echo Dot. This is actually one of the most popular smart home speaker on the market right now. The only contender for this with a similar size is this right here, the Google Home Mini. They're priced very aggressively with one another. It kind of depends on what you want to have in your home. I do find that the Google Home Mini kind of is a little bit better because there's the Google Assistant. You can cast things back and forth. And on the left, you have Alexa. Now, I've used Alexa when, they first launched it. And as we continue with this video, I sincerely apologize if I am activating your smart speakers while this video is playing. Sincerely apologize for that. So continuing to the video, Amazon Alexa has greatly improved over the past couple of years, and it's only going to get better because Amazon is going to be dominating this field. Google has improved slightly, but even with both of these products, there's so much that you can do. There's more commands coming. There's more, as we evolve with the smart speakers, there's more going to come. So biggest contender for the Amazon Alexa Dot is going to be this one right here, the Google Home Mini. Very similar sizing, very similar characteristics. The Google Home Mini is a little bit smaller. I'm going to be doing a detailed comparison between these two products to see which one is the better one. But let's go back to this, which is the unboxing that we're here for. At the front, you see Amazon Alexa Dot at the top. It says add Alexa to any room. These are some of the basic commands that you can ask Alexa, like play top songs, what's the weather, and since I'm in Canada, you can ask her in French. Now, with the what's the weather and with the top songs, I'm going to see if it allows me to use Apple Music and Tidal. I know that it's going to work with, Prime Music, no doubt. And let's see if it even works with like YouTube or something. And there is far field voice control. Now, what that means is if your Echo Dot is in one room and you call a command from a room further away, there's a very high chance that the command will be recognized because of this far field communication, and you'll be able to get your answer. Let's see, on the left side over here, we have Alexa as smart speaker, Bluetooth capable, Wi-Fi enabled, and then audio line out. Okay, at the back of this is just some more instructions. At the top, we have our Amazon logo, and then just some more information at the bottom. Finally, so as of today, 2018, when this was launched, These are some of the many apps that Amazon Alexa is good for. So as you see, I Am Canadian, CBC, Air Canada, very Canadian apps, but it says Spotify, it's enabled, Amazon Music, or now it's called Prime Music, and much more. So what's included in the box, I'm just going to zoom in quickly so we can quickly read this. It's going to be the Amazon Alexa Dot, the 3rd generation, which is available on the market right now, with a power adapter of 15 watts per hour. Let's unbox this. And as I'm going along, let me know what your favorite command is with Alexa in the comment section down below. To open this, we don't need an X-Acto knife. You just have the arrows pointing. So you're just gonna go like this. And then we're gonna flip it open like that. A very simple packaging from Amazon. I was kind of expecting that because I'm okay with having simple packaging as long as, you know, that money gets invested into the product or the product price is brought down because of the packaging. But let me know what your thoughts are. Do you prefer like a premium package for your electronics, or would you be okay with just like, you know, recycled products? So we're going to take this off, and then here is the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. Put it down over here for one quick second. And inside what we have is our reading manual for you to read through. There's, you know, one generic one for English and a bunch of other languages. We'll put that over here. I believe this is the warranty information. Yeah, important product information. Some commands for you to get started for, you know, your music, general questions, controlling your home if you have smart speakers or smart TV or even like smart lighting. You can turn on and off the light. And in the future, what I'm excited for is they're coming out with a Amazon convection oven, which is going to be able to use Alexa to inform you when your dinner's done or when it's time to flip over something. So hopefully by the time this video is launched, they launch that too. Now underneath it, let's see what else is here. And that's going to be our power cable, which I'll take out, put over here. And as you see, there's nothing else in the box. Now let's take a look at this power cable. It's a very big and thick power cable. It's like a square block. It's actually almost the same size as the Google Home brick that I have. And what we have here is the Amazon Echo Dot. So to take it out, there is this plastic over here, which you can probably see. So at the top, you have your general controls like turn up and down the volume, as well as mute the speaker so it won't be able to hear you or your voice. And I believe this is to ask Alexa anything. Now, in terms of the speaker size inside of this little puck of a device, it's actually 1.6 inch speaker inside. And a couple of things, there's 3 devices by Amazon right now: Echo Dot, the Amazon Echo, and the Echo Plus. This is actually by far the cheapest one when comparing the Amazon Echo and the Echo Plus. The couple features that you are missing on the Echo Dot is the dual Dolby speakers that are found on the Echo and the Echo Plus. And then on the Echo Plus, you get this built-in Zigbee smart home hub. Besides that, very similar in terms of the features. Obviously the speaker size is going to be much bigger and much better on these other 2 devices. Taking a look at this again, at the top you have your controls, and these dots over here are going to be for your microphones. And this area right here is going to be kind of like a ring light. It's to let you know that the speaker's on. If you mute the speaker, I'm pretty sure it's going to change the color. If you ask Alexa something, it's going to change the color to blue. Now around it, we have this fabric material, very similar to the Google Home, kind of like to provide a little protection for the speakers inside and to produce a much better quality audio. Now at the very back, you have your power output for your left hand side over here. And then you have a 3.5 millimeter audio output. Now you might be wondering why you have a 3.5 millimeter audio output. It's for you to listen to your songs using the Amazon Echo Dot in case you don't have a smartphone and you want to utilize the Amazon's Prime Music service. At the very bottom, you have the classic Amazon logo. Just some more information on where this device was built. At the bottom, this entire surface is actually rubberized, which is really good because it does provide a good coverage if it's on your table, that if you hit it, it's not going to be going all over the place. As always, depending on where you're living, I live in North America. If you're living in Europe or Asia, it's going to be a little bit different. You're going to have those 2 prongs or if you're in Asia, it might be 3 prongs. This one's going to be a little bit different. Over here, the main power input is going to be very similar all across the board. All you do is take it here and you just place it inside of the power outlet. And once plugged in, it'll begin the setup process for you to go through and use your Amazon app. Now let me know what you guys thought about this very detailed and a little bit long unboxing. Just wanted to get my thoughts on the Amazon Echo Dot, what you guys' thoughts are on this device. If you want me to do a review for this, just leave me a comment down below and I'll do a detailed review. I'm going to be doing a video on my top 10 commands for Amazon Alexa. They're not going to be your traditional commands like what's the weather. It's going to be a little bit more detailed, something that's very unique to Amazon Alexa. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button down there and the bell icon next to it so you don't miss out on any future content. You can always support the channel by joining our Patreon. I'll leave a link for that right below the like button. And let me know what your thoughts are on this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. And if you didn't like it, make sure you let me know in the comment section so I can improve for you in the future. As always, thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.